In this video, we're going to talk about an AI tool where you guys can get unlimited access to Seedance 2.5 and VEO 3. This tool is going to help you as a content creator because the limits here are just huge. And let's get straight into the AI tool breakdown. But before that, drop a like, comment, and subscribe to help grow this channel. For this site we're using today, it's called syntax.ai, and it's a site that comes from Russia. If we open it up and scroll down to the bottom, you guys can check out the models that are available here. Turns out, this site actually stores a ton of AI models, chat AI, image AI, and video AI, all in one website. And the models available here are, in my opinion, pretty helpful for you as a content creator, like Seedance, Sora, Kling, Google VEO, Nano Banana, and Seedream. This time we're going to try using this site. At the top, you can already see several available modes, including Agent Mode, Chat AI, Image, Video, Audio, and Toolkit. We're going to try using the video feature. Let's click on it first. The models available here are pretty diverse, starting from Kling all the way to Flux. Everything's complete. And if you use Kling here, there are also several models available, including Kling Motion. If we use Seedance here, the latest version is also available, which is Seedance 2.5. We're going to try making a few videos. We'll use Seedance 2.5. If we check the quality section, for the mode here you can use the Omni reference and also use keyframe, extend, and edit. This time we're going to try using the Omni reference. Below that, the resolution can be set between 720 and 480. Below that, there's the format. Here you can set the ratio. I'll try using a 16:9 ratio. Then below that, there's still the generation parameters. For duration, you can set it up to 30 seconds. For audio, you can turn it off or turn it on. Next, here you can upload your reference image. I already have a sample reference image. After that, just enter the prompt like this, and I made tags to mark image 1 and image 2. If it's ready, just click send and it'll get processed right away to make the video. And this is the result of the video made using Seedance 2.5. Now, besides the Seedance model available here, there are also other models you can use unlimited. Let's just click Google VEO here, then we'll use VEO 3.1 Lite. If we check here, it doesn't require any credits at all because we're actually given access to use it completely unlimited. As an example, we'll try using text to video. After that, below you can choose the format. We'll set the aspect ratio to 16:9, quality 720. For the quality, it can actually go up to 1080. Once that's done, just enter the prompt and send it right away. After waiting a little while, the video result is done, and this is the result of the video. Now, how about the price? We're going to check the pricing for this tool. Here, I'm using the Elite subscription at a price of around $42 per month. But don't worry, with that price, look at everything you can get. We'll click on More to see everything we can get. If we use Elite here, we can get several models. Here you can already see how many generations we can use. Some of them are already unlimited. For example, if we go down further, there's Runway. Here, Runway is completely unlimited. Then Sora 2 here is also unlimited. Further down, there's still Runway 2, still unlimited with other models. There's Topaz AI, which is also unlimited. And if we go further down, there's VEO 3.1, which is unlimited. So with a 1-month Elite subscription, you're already getting so many benefits. Further down, there's still more for AI images. For example, Kling and Runway here are also unlimited. Sora GPT image is also unlimited. And if we go further down, there are still more unlimited models. It turns out this site also has audio models. For example, if we check here, there's already several like Suno, 11 Labs that you can use too. There's already a generation count you can check here, and further down, there's still more for AI text. Here we can check GPT-5, Claude, Gemini, and so on. That's also unlimited. In my opinion, this is pretty worth it already. The price earlier was only around $40 if you subscribe monthly, and you guys can take advantage of this. If you're interested, you can check out the link in the comments section. I've already included it there. Just subscribe and get your benefits. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful, and if you'd like, you can support me by liking, commenting, and subscribing to this channel.